When you export from Premiere Pro, where does the video go? Well, it's pretty simple. Basically, to export a video on Premiere Pro, at the top left corner, you can see the export button. Click on it. Once you're over here, where it says location, focus on over here. Whatever path you have selected over here, your video is going to be sent there after the export is complete. So click on this blue line right beside location and choose where you want the video to be uploaded. You can choose desktop. You can choose download inside any folder you want. So I'm just going to choose desktop. And once you choose desktop, over here you can select what your exported video's name you want it to be. I want it to be export 1 and I can click on save. Now you can see the name just changed here and the location is inside users, Jake's Knowledge on the desktop. If I press export, this video will be exported into whatever location I just chose. That's basically how you guys know where your exported video goes to on Premiere Pro. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.